How to fold a pair of jeans for travel. First of all, fold the top over. Give yourself a good couple of inches. The jeans are pretty thick, like so. Once you've done that, fold the jeans over, top of each other, like so. Then start a roll from the bottom, as tight as you can. When you get to here, fold this part in so it stays as wide at the bottom of your jeans. Keep folding until you get right to the end, and you've got your cuff by here, and pull the cuff round over the edge of your jeans like so. And there's your jeans, nicely rolled up, nice and compact. How to fold up a polo shirt for travel. First of all, just get your cuff, put a cuff on the bottom, a couple of inches, that's all you need, 2 inches. Fold the sleeves in, like so. Then fold the shirt into the middle, and from the other side into the middle, like so. And from the top, start to roll it up until you get right to the bottom. And when you've got your cuff, pull the cuff over like so. And there you've got one nicely rolled up t-shirt, polo shirt ready for travel. Right, it's how to fold a t-shirt for travel. You want to pack it in a suitcase. First of all, you want to get a bit of a cuff on the bottom here, like so. Then fold in the sleeve on either side, like so. And take one side of the shirt, bring it over so that the far side of the collar, and get the other side, take it over to that side so it's lined up, nice and easy. Turn the t-shirt around from the top, roll it as tight as you can all the way down till you get right to the end. And when you come to that cuff there, pull the cuff over t-shirt, and there's your t-shirt, nice and compact, ready for your suitcase. Hi, you fed up at the top of your cereal boxes looking like this all the time? Well, there's a simple way to cure it. First of all, once you've tucked the cereal down inside and folded it over, to tidy up the box, fold the two ends in like so, there. Pull that one side down, like so, so you've just got the one flap sticking up. Then, if you come to the end, pinch the middle of it, so you put in the two sides together like that, and turn it around, do the same on the other side, push the middle of it in, and get the two sides, push the two sides together like so. So when you look at the top, the box, it looks like that. Then you just push them together, get your top flap, tuck it in by there. You can see when I'm tucking it in, the second crease. Tuck it into the second crease like so. Push it down. And there you have one tidy cereal box. Or you can do it with a number of other small boxes. Hope that helps. Hi, this is a video showing you how to stand up your crisp packet. Normally when you have a packet of crisps, you put them on the side or whatever, and you've got them like that. You've got to stick your hand in and get the crisps out like so. Sometimes you've got to keep opening it up all the time, and it's a nuisance. The easiest way, once you've opened your crisp packet, get the packet like so. Go to the corners on the bottom, push the corners up inside the bottom of the packet and the bottom, push the bottom up as well, like so. You can see the corners and the bottom is pushed up inside, and there we go. The crisp packet is sat nice and neatly on the table for you to get your crisps out. Handy idea. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.